In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll, so misclick, to tap on apps section available here. Now tap on choose default apps at the top and simply pick any section you wanna manage. For example, I want to change my wallet apps, I have to click here. Tap on Google One to apply it as my new one, and go back. As you can see, my changes were successfully applied in a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!